y'all have changed so much.
Come on, guys. We have to hurry. We have to rush to cellular jail. Let's stick to the itinerary. Chalo.
At the cellular jail. I'm back. It's been 12 long years since I came here, back in 8th. I remember everything.
Where have you been? We've been searching all over for you. You have to see Veer Savarkar's cell. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
What are you talking about, Neil? Wake up. We're in Terminal 2.
What are you talking about? Have you seen all these artwork around? There are over 60 pieces of art displayed all over the terminal.
If you guys are done gawking at the architecture, boarding for Andaman is gonna start in like 2 minutes.
Boarding for Andaman? But I'm already supposed to be at Andaman in the cellular jail.
And there, he's done it again. This is Neil. He doesn't realize it, but everything he says today will come true.
Where on earth have you been? We've been searching all over for you. You have to see Veer Savarkar's cell. Come on.
Guys, hurry up.
We Savak? But the airport?
Back in the day, prisoners endured harsh treatment with inadequate sleeping facilities and minimal facilities for defecation. Veer Savarkar spent most of his life here, engraving his poems on the walls of his cell. Now follow me to the next exhibit.
Wasn't I at the airport like a second ago?
Neil, where do you keep wandering off to?
Guys, hurry up. We have scuba diving in Havelock up next.
Those clear waters, I wish I could just jump in them right now.
Okay, guys, so this means go up, this means go down, and this means you're okay. And when you have water in your ears, you do this. Hey, kid, are you listening?
I'm back here again, but I was at the cellular jail just a minute ago.
Do you see what's going on here, viewers? Neil here has come to Andaman with his friends for a reunion after the 8th grade trip. However, he keeps transporting himself back into the original 8th grade trip, and he has no idea what's going on.
Nowadays, kids think they're so funny. Anyways, remember to keep breathing through your mouth or else your lungs won't get crushed. Good luck, everyone. Enjoy Underwater Andaman.
So, I'm a kid now, but I was an adult 2 minutes ago. What's going on?
Are you going to make me drag you around the entire islands?
I have a huge problem, Chitrakshi.
Scuba diving comes first. Come on, jump into the water at least.
Radhanagar Beach, here we come.
Guys, I have a problem. I think I'm an accidental adult.
I have no idea what you're on about, but hurry. The Radhanagar beach isn't something you'd want to miss.
That was the end of the day. Neil here still has no idea what he's doing. I have a feeling the next day is going to be even better.
It's been so long since I've ridden on a jet ski or a banana boat, but the rides in Andaman were the best ones ever.
I can't wait to go back to Elephanta Beach again.
It's gonna relive some really old memories.
Whoa, that was incredible.
I agree, but we need to hurry. Satish sir is calling everyone.
I'm so lost again. Who is Satish?
For all the confused members of our assembly, Satish sir was the head of the Discover Andaman team, and that was his call for whenever he needed our attention.
Thank you for your attention. Now, after we have lunch, we're going to walk to a place called Neil's Cove. It's a place where two beaches and the sea meet. The sunset there is one to witness. Report at 4:30 sharp. Back to the buses.
2 hours later, they returned to the hotel. From what I'm hearing, Neil's Cove was one of the most unpolluted beaches in Andaman, and that made the sunset completely untouched and truly ethereal.
Whoa, that sunset was incredible. And the nature walk that we weaved through the dense forests of mahua trees. That really showed us that Andaman isn't just about beaches.
As much as I love the biodiversity of Andaman and its beauty, for the fifth time in the day, I have a problem.
Everybody, listen up. Tomorrow's itinerary consists of half of you going to the Annette campus, while the other half goes to Ross Island. Later, we'll reunite at the Andaman Cellular Jail.
Reunite? Reunion? Reunion? Reunion! I'm supposed to be at the reunion right now.
That's exactly where you are. Calm down. Breathe.
Are you done daydreaming yet?
I'm not daydreaming, forget it. Y'all remember Satish, sir?
The yo-yo yoga? How can we forget him?
Exactly. So somehow I got transformed into my 8th grade self again, and I met him and...
Okay, Neil, stop with the jokes already. Come on, guys, we have to go to Annette before it closes. Chalo!
Annette is an environmentally friendly group studying the marine and terrestrial biodiversity of Andaman. In the middle of a time traveling crisis, our main character here is studying about sea turtles.
That was actually quite interesting. Who knew turtles never return to the spot of nesting?
Guys, let's get back to the resort. I wonder what's for dinner. Am I not meant to be in the cellular jail right now?
Meanwhile, at the Cellular Jail Light and Sound Show,
They weren't even allowed to bathe without permission. They had maggots in their food, infection in their water. Such were the conditions of those who suffered in the Andaman Cellular Jail.
I haven't got clean water since last week.
My clothes are cutting into my skin, so I can barely walk. I need help.
Why do you think I care? Walk!
That was the most moving thing I've witnessed in the whole trip.
I completely agree. And speaking of historical things, we still have Ross Island to go to tomorrow.
I've heard way too much about that place. I wish time would just speed up.
At Ross Island. Aha! I figured it out. Somehow, everything I say today is coming true.
All right, we get it. You're some weird wish-granting genie. Now live in the moment.
The views from the lighthouse were absolutely stunning, and the trek through the British safe houses, mind-blowing.
All I can really think of is the fact that this reunion is getting over. I wish we were kids again.
I'm telling you, I relived our entire 8th grade trip just a few seconds ago. But something in this reunion isn't matching up original trip. We're missing something.
Is that Neil, Arnav, Shriyansh, Anaya, and Chitrakshi?
It was really incomplete without you, sir.
Well, I guess there's only one thing to say.
Yo, yo, yo!
Yo, what's up?
From the day we landed in Andaman to the day we left, we went through many amazing experiences, although hectic. We went to the Radhanagar beach, which is known to be the cleanest beach in all of Asia. We even went scuba diving, banana boating, and the hotel food, I would say it was actually really delicious. And the rooms, we had such amazing experiences with our friends, something that I don't think we could ever be able to recreate. But one thing I must say, the ferry ride from Havelock and back, that would have been one of the most memorable experiences. The view of the water was absolutely mesmerizing. But there was one thing that all happened, the dance. And I would like to show you guys a little snippet of that today.
जैसे अजनबी जहां आके लग जाए गले जैसे तू चले और दुनिया तेरे संग चले जैसे रात चुपके से तेरे कानों में कहे कि अब तो जाने क्यों